Hey friends, if you encounter the YourPhone.exe process on Windows, then what should you do? Now, here's the thing. A lot of people are asking that do I need to remove it? Let me explain what it is. It is the phone link app. I'll search for it and I'll show you. This is the phone link app which is used to connect your phone to your system. So, you can disable it, but it will still keep popping up in the task manager as a background process. Here's what you can do in this case. I'll show you. Open the task manager. Okay. And then go to the startup tabs option here. You'll find phone link, right click on it and select disable. It's written enabled here because it is already enabled on my system. Now I'll right click on it and I'll select disable. Disable it and restart your computer. Then it should not be causing high CPU usage. But here's what more you can do in this case. You can search for the phone link app and then you can go to app settings and then you'll find this option called background component permissions. Click on this and select never. This means that this app will not run in the background. Now, a lot of users will ask that the process name is YourPhone.exe. Why is it written phone link? The reason is that phone link is the name of the app and its name was Your Phone earlier, but now they changed the name of the app, yet the name of the process remains the same. So it's okay. That is the only thing that has changed. And if it keeps on repeating, you can always repair and then reset this app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.